March corn sets a new recent high. In fact, it's the highest March corn has traded in the last 8 months. We had a really big range here today. It was an outside reversal higher day. However, we did not close up in at a new high territory. We did end up closing within yesterday's trading range. And there's been a lot of volatility in the last couple of days. Yesterday was a reversal lower day after making a new high. Today, we started quite a bit lower, got well below yesterday's low, and then ended up above yesterday's high and then backed off a little bit. So that sort of volatility doesn't necessarily mean this is topping action, but it is something that does raise a flag that makes you want to pay attention because it can suggest that we are getting in an area where we could be topping out or getting ready for a correction. So do keep that in mind. We are also rather overbought in that market at 71% on the relative strength index. That is not an extreme case of being overbought. It is, we consider above 70% to be overbought, but it is into overbought territory at this time. South American weather continues to be a big focus of the market. There's been a significant amount of dryness in Argentina. In fact, they've only gotten about half the amount of rain they would normally expect to get in the month of January, which this is a very moisture sensitive time frame for the crop. And whether they get rains to, kind of catch back up or not is a big question mark. There is some rain in the forecast, but the forecasts have been over-promising and underachieving for the past month. So we're watching that closely, but then also watching Brazil because Mato Grosso, their biggest producing state, has been receiving heavy rains, which is delaying the soybean harvest, but therefore delaying the second season corn planting. So all those things are things that we're watching in the market very closely. And then, of course, we have our weekly export sales report, which will be coming out on Friday, a day later because of the holiday on Monday. The trade is expecting between 700,000 and 1.7 million metric tons. That compares to 1.025 million metric tons from last week. So stay tuned, everybody, and stay safe.